Righto, Talio there champs, and today we're going to have a look at Alienware's Pro Gaming Keyboard. Now this is their top of the line keyboard. There is another one that doesn't have RGB, it's just the Alienware Gaming Keyboard. This one here in Australia, $250 Australian dollars or 120 US, which sounds a lot better actually. So it's not a cheap keyboard, but it certainly is a good keyboard. The build quality is solid. I do like the iconic Alienware design. You have that nice grey aesthetic. I do like it. It's not over the top or garish like a lot of gaming products. And you have those unique Alienware angles. It's unmistakably Alienware. Of course, you can use this with any gaming setup, laptop or normal PC. And as I said, built solid. It's got a bit of heft to it, so it's not going to move. And it is a full-size keyboard. And even though it is expensive, you can see that it is premium. And even the cable is braided. It's just, you can tell it is an expensive product. The actual switches on it are brown mechanical switches. They are Kale switches, so I think they're a knockoff of Cherry MX. And keyboard switches will be personal preference, but these are really good keys. They're all consistent. 45 gram activation. They feel really good. Now I've used the Corsair Platinum, I think it is, and I think that does have genuine Cherry switches, but these keys on here actually feel better than the Corsair Platinum, but that is personal preference, of course. On the left you have macro buttons, 15 programmable macro buttons, as you can actually cycle through the macros because you have a function key up the top where you can cycle through and reuse those keys for different macros, and the keys will change different color for different macros. It has an optional palm rest and it has zone lighting RGB, which uses Alien FX, which means it'll interact with the game. I think Alienware have the biggest game library that actually support Alien FX lighting. I think it's over 140 games or something like that, but it definitely has the most. So that gives you an extra dimension when you're gaming, and it does make a difference. 256K memory, and it has also a volume rocker, and next to that volume rocker you'll also see the Alienware key, which can instantly turn off the RGB and turn it back on. Of course, with Alien FX you have the software and you can change all the colors and set up the RGB to your liking. So I guess I really do like this keyboard. It is expensive, but it is worth it, I think. If you're in the Alienware ecosystem, it's just a no-brainer, get this. But if you even just want a really fantastic gaming keyboard, this would have to be up there with one of the best gaming keyboards. Those keys on this certainly suit me, and it has lots of nice touches like the braided cable. Even has underlighting of the keyboard at the front of the keyboard, not just the keys. If you can check one of these out, definitely do that. I would certainly prefer this over the Corsair Platinum. So that is what it is. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new around here, why not subscribe? I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Till next time guys, tally ho. So you've been playing with this for the last couple of days. What do you think with the monitor, mouse and keyboard?
Very, very professional. Feels like something I would get if I were to be a professional gamer, which I'm not, as you can tell.
But if money no object, would you buy it?
Easy, yeah. It's a good, really good keyboard, feels smooth. Mouse is silky smooth. The monitor, best part. 240 Hz, you just can't beat it. It's the best of them all. Never played with such.
It's smooth as, isn't it?
Yeah. It gives you that edge in gaming situations. Like, if you have 60 Hz, half of you're not going to get half the kills, you know, that you're getting with this thing.
So you reckon it improves your gameplay?
Yeah, definitely, because you can see faster, your reaction times, the speed.
So what about, you got the Q going there?
The Q.
So what about, what do you think about Dodgy? Would he be able to get his first kill after 50 hours in PUBG? Would he be able to get his first kill with this setup?
I don't know, he's a bit of a work in progress, but maybe.
But that's a true thing, isn't it? Like,
yeah,
he's
not
had 30 hours, he hasn't been killed yet, right?
No, definitely not. He's a bit of a special type of person, isn't he?
It may help him. Maybe we should get him on this setup.
Yeah, if he gets his first kill on him. Bloody hell, that proves the point.
Oh, he knuckled too, Dodgy. You got the whole place to yourself now, so just come here and you got the whole place to yourself.
They clearly didn't know the jump tactic, where you jump and hit, because then it's headshots.